Every successful trader starts somewhere, and for most, that's confusion. With too many indicators and opinions, the journey is daunting. This is a real story of how a beginner trader found clarity using Luma Exchange. Like most new traders, uncertainty filled my early attempts. I made random trades, emotional decisions, and got inconsistent results. Traditional trading platforms felt overwhelming. Many beginners like me often quit here. But everything changed with Luma Exchange. This platform simplifies trading, offering tools for both beginners and pros. It's designed to help us learn without the usual stress of confusion. Luma offers copy trading, letting beginners follow proven traders. This feature allows us to see effective strategies in real time. It avoids those costly first-time mistakes and builds confidence. My personal experience with Luma Exchange has been positive. Using structured binary strategies and following successful traders led to more consistent results. I learned that confusion can transform into control, and losses can become lessons. The future of trading is not about guesswork. It's about smart systems, transparency, and automation. Binary and copy trading on Luma Exchange pave the way for beginners. It also allows seasoned traders to maximize their potential. To all new traders feeling overwhelmed, remember, you don't have to go alone. With the right guidance, clarity is within reach. Luma Exchange is the ideal platform for both new and experienced traders. If you're ready to start your journey from confusion to clarity, check out Luma Exchange. Discover the methods that helped me profit in crypto. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Join us for more beginner-friendly guides, trading stories, and tutorials on binary and AMP, copy trading.